Clilia Davis, a local tutor and entrepreneur, is hoping to set up a research lab on St. Kitts, the first of its kind to develop clinical treatments for diseases and illnesses. Davis, a guest on the Monday first edition of Insights on TVC Channel 40, shared about her groundbreaking research at the University of the Virgin Islands on the treatment of sickle cell disease.
So for me, it was very intriguing when I found out in one of my biology classes that there are some plants that can potentially have treatment options for this disease, because I know sickle cell is a genetic disease, right? So I delved into that, and that is how everything sparked. So now I am actually a medical scientist. So my research experience and training would have started from that project, and everything was just a domino effect. We completed that. I, produced it at different conferences. Was able to actually win a prize, and that led now to another research opportunity, and so on and so forth.
Oh, so you just blossom
Yeah, and because of that, like no, when you probably would have attended a US school, you can go on to do your PhD, especially in the US system. So I was checking out schools. I went to UCLA, I went to Emory University in Atlanta, and a couple more. When I was at Emory, one of the professors was, well, I didn't actually go to see him. I went to speak to the chair of the program, and he said, "Oh, based on your research, I'm gonna relay you to this expert in sickle cell." I spoke to him. I had like some of my CVs present with me, so I showed him, and he's like, "I want you to work at my lab. I'll get you an NIH grant." I said, "What?"
Just like that.
Just like that. Are you kidding me? So it was amazing. But then this is the kicker. I couldn't, because I'm an international student.
Yeah.
I'm on the research side. I'm gonna stick in my lane and do what I can and do what I know how to do. And then I collaborate with the clinicians, and I say, "Okay, well, this is what I did in the lab. This is how we can translate it, and this is how it would benefit your patients."
So in the long run, you're hoping to have your own lab where you can continue that research.
Yes.
And eventually help to find treatment.
Most definitely. And create an atmosphere where we do have research marrying the clinic.
Okay. And you're hoping to set up that lab here in St. Kitts?
Yes.
Davis is the founder of iSteam, an arts and science academy located on George Street, Bastyr. Watch the full interview of Insights by visiting the TVC website at www.tvcplus.live. I'm Andre Huey for SKN Newsline.